everyone, welcome to the 1000 MCQ series of Pharmacist, Analyst and Drug Inspector examination. This is our exclusive course for Kerala Analyst Grade 3 examination. So let's get ready to crack the exam. Starting with the first question of the day, in the rhombohedral packing, percent of porosity is it 26%, 46%, 22% or 62%? So they are asking rhombohedral packing. So in rhombohedral of packing of spheres, as we know, the void fraction means the free space or the empty space, right? So this will be 26%. 26% of porosity or 26% of void fraction, right? So the answer for this question will be, it will be 26%. Now, helium pycnometer is used to determine, is it for size, true density, sedimentation rate or surface area? As we know, this is the helium pycnometer. Now here, as we know, there are different type of solid specimens are given along with this pycometer, right? So here we are using a gas. Which gas? Helium gas. Why? Because helium gas is having a smaller size, right? See, helium gas is having a smaller atomic size, which will help or which will aid in the penetration into these small pores present in the material. So here we will get density, right? From after injecting the helium, we will get the density of this material. What type of density we will get? We will get the solid density or the true density of that material. So helium pycnometers are mainly used for analyzing the true density of the material by also evaluating the porosity. For evaluating the porosity, we are using the helium gas. Now, coming to the next question, dash is defined as intentional type of adulteration. Is it spoilage, admixture, sophistication or substitution? See, it is very clear. They have asked intentional type of adulteration. So here, as you can see, the deliberate or intentional act of adulterating, that is known as sophistication, and that should not be done. Why are people doing this? To increase their profit margin. So in this, what will happen in sophistication, what people do is they will alter the material, alter the product by using ingredients of inferior quality or the ingredients of product that is having same type of appearance. So that is sophistication, which is an intentional type of adulteration. So the answer for this question will be C, that is sophistication. Now, coming to the next question, Department of Transport test, that is DOT test. DOT test is performed for which of the following? Is it strip packing, aerosol, injection packing or glass containers? As we know, DOT test is for aerosols. Now, why we are doing DOT test for aerosols? So as to evaluate the safety and stability of aerosol. As you can see here in this picture, we are using product along with the liquid propellant here in aerosols. So we have to analyze the safety of this particular product during transportation, right? So that's why we are using the DOT test, that is Department of Transport test, so as to evaluate the aerosol. So the answer for this particular question will be option B, that is aerosol. Now coming to the next question, what is heat of vaporization of water at 100 degrees Celsius? Is it 2790 calorie per mole, 7290 calorie per mole, 7920 calorie per mole or 9720 calorie per mole? Yes, as we know, they are asking heat of vaporization of water at 100 degrees Celsius. What is it? It is 7290 calorie per mole. Now what is this heat of vaporization? Heat means the energy, amount of energy that is required to convert 1 mole of water from the liquid phase to the vapor phase at that particular temperature. Here the temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. So the heat of vaporization of water at 100 degrees Celsius will be 7920 calories per mole. Now, the larger values of Ky in the Haeckel's plot. Haeckel's plot mainly indicates the compression, right? So this indicates the formation of what quality of tablet? So higher Ky value means, is it harder tablet, softer tablet, fluffy tablets or brittle tablets? Yes, In Haeckel plot, we know this is a Haeckel plot. So here we are mainly evaluating the compression pressure, right? So if Ky increases, the Ky value increases means the hardness of the tablet will increase. Ky value increasing means the compaction is increasing. As a result, the tablet will get harder, right? So here the answer for this question means it is harder tablet. That is option A. Now coming to the next question. What will be the time required for drug exhibiting first order rate constant of 4.6 per hour to be degraded from initial concentration of 100 mg per ml to 10 mg per ml? So the initial concentration is 100 mg per ml. The final is 10 mg per ml. The constant rate is, the K value is 4.6 and the type of degradation is first order rate constant. Now we know all these things. Let's see the option. Will it be 2 hour, 4 hour, 9 hour or 0.5 hour? So here we just have to substitute everything. So what will be the time required for the drug to degrade? It is T is equal to 1 by K, that is constant, ln natural log CO by C, that is original concentration or the initial concentration by the final concentration. So if we substitute, we will get approximately 0.5 hours. Right. So here the answer for this question will be option D, that is 0.5 hours. Now, Central Council means, is it the State Pharmacy Council that is constituted under the Section 19, or is it the Pharmacy Council of India constituted under the Section 51A, or is it Pharmacy Council of India constituted under the Section of 3, or is it State Pharmacy Council constituted under Section 20? Right, Central Council. So here Central Council means PCI, that is Pharmacy Council of India, which is constituted under Section 3 of Pharmacy Act in the year 1948. So here Central Council means the Pharmacy Council of India that is constituted under Section 3. Right. So the correct answer for this question will be option C. Now coming to the next question. Central Register shall be deemed to be public document within the meaning of. So when will be Central Register considered or can be used as a public document? When it is following the Indian Patent Act, Indian Evidence Act, Dangerous Drugs Act, or none of the above. Yes. So here the Central Register, which is maintained by the Central Council, that is the Pharmacy Council of India. This is considered as a public document under the Indian Evidence Act of 1872, which means when there is a legal dispute or a legal matter, the Central Register can be used as an evidence. Right. So the answer for this question will be, it is option B, that is Indian Evidence Act of 1872. Now coming to the last question of the day. Education regulation is published in. Is it published as an official gazette, or is it published in the Parliament, Lok Sabha Assembly, or Rajya Sabha Assembly? So here, as we know, education regulation, which include the standard of pharmacy education also, the pharmacy education as well as the training of pharmacy, all these standards are included in the education regulation. So this is published under the official gazette of India, as you can see here. Right. So the correct answer for this question will be option A, that is official gazette. Now this is our exclusive course curatedly made for analyst grade 3 examination. So let's get ready to crack this exam. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.